Most people think Quonset homes are a cheap, smart alternative, but there is one problem nobody talks about. At first glance, these steel arch homes look like a dream. They are durable, modern, and often advertised as affordable. That is exactly why so many people are drawn to them. But here is where things start to go wrong. The biggest problem with Quonset homes is not the structure, it is everything that comes after. Insulation becomes a challenge because of the curved walls. Standard materials do not fit properly, which means higher costs and more complicated installation. Then there is the interior layout. Straight walls are easy to work with. Curved walls are not. Furniture placement, cabinets, and storage suddenly become a puzzle. And here is something most people do not expect. Permits and local building codes. Some areas do not easily approve these structures. That can delay your project or even stop it completely. So what looked like a simple, affordable build can quickly turn into something more expensive and more complicated than planned. Now, that does not mean Quonset homes are a bad idea. In fact, for the right person, they can be a great option, but only if you understand the trade-offs before you start. Quonset homes do have real advantages. Their steel structure makes them highly durable. They can handle extreme weather, including strong winds and storms. They are also naturally resistant to fire, pests, and rot. This makes them appealing for off-grid living or long-term rural builds. With the right design, the curved structure can even improve airflow and create a strong, energy-efficient building envelope, but only if insulation and finishing are done correctly. This is why some people love them for off-grid setups. Less maintenance, strong shell, and long lifespan. But again, the success is in the planning, not just the structure. Because the truth is, the biggest mistake people make is thinking this is the easy route. Would you live in a Quonset home? Or does this change your mind? Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.